Ayan. Sorry kung naiwan ko yung draft ko. Okay, we repeat it. Alam mo ba yung kanta ni Crystal Waters dun sa kantang yan, yung 100% pure love. Alam mo yon yung song na to. It's giving 100% pure sexiness. Nung pinagtugtog sa akin ni DJ Sting, grabe, nagulat siya kung gaano ka-sexy talaga akong gumiling. And he was like, wow! DJ Honeybee, ang sexy mo. And you know what? Some DJs called me sexy because of my body type. Siyempre, hubog lang ang katawan. Alam niyo na. And I just understand about it. Sorry. Nabulol ako. Well, I'm terrified about that, but you know it. This was the first show I ever come to that. But you know, it's giving 100% pure sexiness about the song from Crystal Waters. You know it? Some DJs called me sexy because of the song. Sabi ni DJ Sting, wow, DJ Honeybee, ang sexy mo. Iba ka talaga. So that's why DJs called me sexy because of the song. 'Di ba? Kaya sinabi ko, basta sexy, libre. Libre lang ang gumiling ng mga sexy. Well, 1 minute before we hit 7 o'clock. So, we just have to sing one more song before Decades of Sounds will start soon. But anyways, no one knows me because I'm sexy. Alam mo yung kantang yan? It's giving 100% pure sexiness of Crystal Waters. Diba? It's giving! Grabe. And you know why? Nung nagulat siya sa sinasabi ko, and I was like, wow! Ang sexy ng kantang to. Parang napapagiling talaga ako. So that's right. Gumiling-giling talaga ako. Kaya, bakit? Bakit, DJ Honeybee? Ang sexy mo talaga. Ang sexy mo talaga sa personal. Oh no, 30 minutes na lang. Mag-i-start na pala yung Decades of Sounds. But yes, anyways, I had to sing one more song before the show is about to start. Stay tuned.